Wind power. Energy resources are stores of energy that we use to generate electricity. Some of the energy resources that we currently use to convert energy to electricity are the sun, wind, waterways, hydroelectricity, biofuel, tides, geothermal, and fossil fuels and nuclear power. Remember, energy resources that will not run out are called renewable resources. Wind power. Wind power is a renewable energy resource as the wind will not run out. The wind is used to generate electricity with a wind turbine. The average wind speed on land is approximately 4 meters per second, and by the coast it is approximately 8 meters per second. This is why the coast is a better location for wind turbines as more electricity can be produced. As we said, wind power is a renewable energy resource as the wind will not run out. A wind turbine is used to generate electricity from the wind, so how does a wind turbine work? Wind flows over the wind turbine blades and causes them to spin. The rotating blades turn a generator within the wind turbine. The generator generates electricity from the wind. There are advantages and disadvantages of wind power. The advantages are there is no additional pollution after manufacturing. There is minimal running cost. There is no permanent damage to the landscape as it can be returned to the previous state by removing them. They do not use fossil fuels and it is a renewable resource. Disadvantages include wind turbines only work for a range of wind speeds, making the production of electricity unpredictable. There is a high initial cost. Wind turbines can be very noisy for those close by. 1,500 wind turbines take up a lot of space and can spoil the scenery. And approximately 1,500 wind turbines are required to replace one coal-fired power station. So why don't we replace fossil fuels with wind power? Scientists have identified environmental issues that are caused by the use of non-renewable energy resources. However, they can only present the information and advise. They do not have the ability to act on these issues. Governments around the world will consider the scientific advice along with the political, social, ethical, and economic considerations before taking action. Wind turbines do work well, but there are many other issues to consider when using them to replace the use of fossil fuels to supply electricity. Summary. Energy resources are stores of energy that we use to generate electricity. Renewable resources are replaced as quickly as we use them, or faster. Wind turbines make no additional pollution after manufacture and do not damage the landscape. Wind turbines do not run all the time, cannot increase for demand, and some say it spoils the scenery. Science can advise on environmental issues, but there are other factors to consider before action occurs. Keywords. Energy resource, stores of energy that we use to generate electricity. Wind power, a renewable energy resource where electricity is generated by the wind.